Imagine starting from zero, no team, no experience, no big following, and building a business that pays you $1,000 a month. Sounds crazy? Well, with LiveGood, it's possible. In today's video, I'm sharing my LiveGood success blueprint. The exact steps you can use to go from zero to $1,000 a month. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up, grow, and scale your LiveGood business the smart way. Why $1,000 a month matters, relatable tone, motivation. Now, let's be real, $1,000 a month won't make you rich, but it can absolutely change your life. That's your car payment, your rent, groceries, or just extra cash to breathe easier. And the best part? With LiveGood, you don't need to be a top recruiter or spend thousands to make this happen. You just need a clear blueprint, and that's what I'm giving you today. Step 1. Build the foundation. Every success story starts with a foundation. Here's what you do first. Join an AMP. Learn the products. If you don't know what you're promoting, you won't feel confident. Use them yourself. Share your honest experience. Set up your tools. LiveGood gives you your affiliate link, websites, and back office. Bookmark them and get comfortable. Mindset shift. Treat this like a real business, not a hobby. Show up daily, even if it's just 30 minutes. This foundation is what separates people who succeed from those who quit in 2 weeks. Step 2. Get your first sign-ups. Next, it's time to bring people in. Here's how I recommend you do it. Social media. Post curiosity content, not spammy sales posts. For example, I just joined a business for $50 that pays me weekly. Want details? YouTube Shorts. Create short videos sharing your journey, reviews, and tips. People search for this daily. Warm market. Done right. Don't beg friends and family. Instead, say, "Hey, I just started something new. Want me to send you the info?" Your first 5 to 10 sign-ups usually come from these simple steps. That's the momentum you need. Step 3. Duplicate and AMP. Grow now. The real magic happens when your team starts growing. You don't want to do all the work yourself forever. Here's the secret. Plug people into the system. LiveGood has pre-built websites and emails. Use them. Teach simplicity. Show your team to do what you did. Join, learn, share. Don't overcomplicate it. Stay consistent. Post every day, even when you don't see immediate results. Consistency builds trust and momentum. When your team duplicates this, your income compounds, and that's how you get to $1,000 a month. What to expect? Let's be clear, you won't hit $1,000 a month overnight. For some it's 2 months, for others 6 months, depending on effort. The key is, don't quit. Even small daily actions, like posting 1 piece of content or messaging 2 people, add up over time. This is about building residual income, not just a quick bonus. So that's the LiveGood success blueprint. Start with the foundation, get your first sign-ups, and duplicate the system until you scale up to $1,000 a month and beyond. Right finger if this video gave you value, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. Blueprint? If you want me to share a step-by-step training series. And if you're ready to start your LiveGood journey today, I'll leave my link in the description so you can plug in right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.